Hello everyone and welcome to the channel. In this video guys, I'm going to guide you how to install the SandBox on your Windows 11. As you can see, Windows SandBox. And if you want to install it, first of all, its requirement is you should have the enterprise version or pro version in order to install it. How to check your version? This is the SandBox. So basically, when you open your start menu, type for WinVer and pro version is here. If you have the home version doesn't support the SandBox. In order to have it, you should have at least Windows Pro and Enterprise version for that. In order to install on your system, if you have the version, just need to type turn Windows feature on or off. Select this option and scroll down and look for the option Windows SandBox, this option. Just tick this box, then click on OK. And once you click on OK, the features will be installed on your system. You have to restart your Windows. It will automatically prompt you to restart your Windows, and thereafter simply launch the SandBox. So its feature is basically when you can work on it one time. If you have any privacy issues is while browsing your data or doing any work on it, this machine you can use it simply. And once you close this machine, there will be no history on your system, and history will not be saved on this Windows SandBox. As it is also rating, all the content will be discarded and permanently lost. So this is good feature for experimenting something and for the security purpose. I hope this video helps you. If yes, then hit like, subscribe and share. Thank you. Thanks for watching.